Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more travel tips and reviews. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience using HolidayLettings. In this video, we're diving into HolidayLettings, a vacation rental platform owned by TripAdvisor. It boasts a huge selection of holiday homes around the globe. Check the description for links to the platform. HolidayLettings focuses on private accommodations, offering everything from villas and apartments to charming cottages and one-of-a-kind stays. This makes it a compelling alternative to traditional hotels, especially for travelers prioritizing space, privacy, and flexibility. A key strength is its extensive global reach, featuring over 600,000 properties in sought-after destinations across Europe, the Americas, and beyond. You'll find listings ranging from budget-friendly apartments to luxurious villas, catering to solo adventurers, families, and groups of all sizes. Because HolidayLettings is part of the TripAdvisor family, users benefit from access to detailed guest reviews, ratings, and verified feedback, empowering them to make well-informed booking decisions. The platform also facilitates secure payments and direct communication with hosts, streamlining the reservation process. Navigating the website is user-friendly, thanks to helpful filters for price, property type, amenities, and location, making it easy to pinpoint the perfect accommodation. A definite plus is the flexible cancellation policies offered by many properties, providing added peace of mind for travelers who value flexibility in their trip planning. The TripAdvisor integration allows you to explore nearby attractions, restaurants, and read reviews, enriching your overall travel experience. However, there are a few drawbacks to consider. Unlike hotel booking sites, HolidayLettings relies on individual hosts, which means the quality of service can vary. Response times are dependent on individual property owners, and some listings might have extra fees, like cleaning charges or security deposits, that aren't always immediately apparent. It's crucial to carefully review all the details before confirming your booking. Overall, HolidayLettings is a reliable option for travelers seeking private holiday rentals, backed by the trustworthiness of TripAdvisor reviews. If you value the comfort and convenience of a home-away-from-home experience over traditional hotels and want access to a wide range of vacation properties worldwide, HolidayLettings is definitely a platform worth exploring. Click the links in the description to browse HolidayLettings and discover your next getaway.